Hey guys, it's Rookie BBQ again. I just wanted to make a quick introduction video. I told you guys last week on the salmon cook that I had an error code, and I know a couple of you in the comments were wondering what was going on and were a little freaked out for me, because I was freaked out the entire time. And I just want to share with you real quick what happened with me. I'll show you in the video as well, but real quick, looking at the manual here, I had an error code E6, which was a startup failure. And when that happens, it automatically shuts down the grill, resets. It has me run through a list of procedures, which I'll go through in the video. After I did those procedures, everything worked out. You'll see in the video, I got scared. I might have cussed a little bit, and you'll hear some bleeps in there. But I was real nervous because everybody's, been having problems, and I've been championing this grill for a while now, saying that it's been great, I've had no issues, and I finally had one. So I just wanted to show you guys that even though I've had some problems, it's been great since I fixed it. Hopefully, knock on wood. I don't really have wood around here to knock on, but you get the gist. So I wanted to show you in this video what's going on, what the error codes were. Please like, subscribe, comment if you guys have had anything like this. I haven't seen anybody have error codes, but like I said, I had a specific error code that was in the manual, and I ran through everything and fixed it. So we'll see what happens in the future. All right. Well, this could be a problem. I just started it to try to get it, to 200 to start the salmon. And this is what it gave me. This is great. We'll see what this means. Well, this is kind of a sad day. It finally happened here. I got a user error. It was E6, I just showed you that a second ago. And now it wants me to remove all the grates. So E6, by the way, if I didn't mention it, if you didn't see that little section before, it's when the flame won't start up. It stayed at 70 for a while. I was gonna heat it up, clean it off, and then put some salmon on. But like I said, it kind of went awry here. So once we take this off, and this guy that can move, look at that. Okay, so it's packed with, oh man, it's packed with pellets. Yes, there's a lot of ash. Yes, I cooked on it. Of course there's ash, right? But look at all that. They just never got lit. Look at all these pellets. So sorry I took a break there. I was trying to figure out what the hell I'm gonna do. It just dumped a bunch of pellets down there that obviously aren't getting lit. I'm a little pissed, not gonna lie. What is this? Sorry, I'll bleep that out. They just went in there and it kept dumping them without lighting them. So it almost just looks like the glow plug wasn't burning. There's some back there, which is strange because, as you guys know, I've done 3 solid cooks on this thing. 2 with you, and well, 4 actually. The freak is that? I don't know what that. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna clear all this out. Let me get back to you guys in a second. You can see that the glow plug looks fine. Everything looks good. I'm gonna clean that out and then I'll fire it up. It recommends going to 400. Cleaning it out, replug it in, going to 400, see if the glow plug lights up. If it does, replace it and start from there. So I will get with you in a second. Alright guys, so I showed you a second ago, that was completely dirty, filled with pellets that hadn't burned, which was strange. I never actually checked it after a cook to see if, they had burned away. I honestly hadn't, so maybe it was just too packed to burn, I'm not sure. I didn't shop bag it or anything. It wants you to clean it, take out that so you can witness the glow plug going, but it wants you to fire it up to 400, which is what I'm going to do here. Don't know why, that's what the manual says, and that's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully this ain't a freaking problem. Alright, here we go. So she's starting, blowing right there. This might take a little while, so I'm gonna hold it here. Obviously, I'll cut it down for you guys to show you what's going on. I'm so nervous that I want to make sure everything works properly. All right, so as you can see right there, the auger is starting. It's working. It's turning. Everything's working there. The glow plug, though, it's supposed to glow, obviously, i.e. the glow plug. Oh, you can see it there. Look, look, look. It's coming. Okay, okay. That's a good sign. That's a good sign right there. Woo, it's firing up. Okay. The auger's working beautifully, just like it should. It's pushing those out down there. Here we go. That glow plug is glowing hot. And that's what happens. It shoots down from the auger there, down to the fire pot. Maybe it was shooting too much, because like I showed you guys a second ago, it had completely clogged it up. It was like no way for the glow plug to get hot. Alright guys, I don't know what's going on, but she's making smoke. She's starting those bad boys on fire, so I'm going to put everything back on top, and we'll see if she can get to 400 good. Here we go, we'll see. One last shot. Alright. Alright guys, so you saw me. You know how much I freaked out, how much I was worried. Weber recommends in the manual that if you get the code E6, which shows that it's not starting to fire, you want to clean everything out, you want to take everything out, remove the dust, and you want to check the fire pot where the actual pellets go. And mine, as I showed you, was full. It scared the crap out of me. It was full, I didn't know what was going on. But it has you replace that, set it to 400, and try it again. Let's open this bad boy together. Okay. I'm not going to say we're in the clear here, but I just followed Weber's instructions. And look at that. She's roaring at 400. She got there in about 10 minutes from 0 to 400 after not even lighting. That is a hell of a sign for me right there. God bless. I was scared. I'm still not, you know, rest assured, believe me, I'm still a little nervous. But I just wanted to show you guys. It got to 400. It's working fine. It's roaring good. We're going to continue this cook. And I just wanted to share this with you, you know, the ups and downs. This is what happens, man. Glad that we're through the clear, though, on this one. Alright. Alright, guys, super quick thought on what happened there. I believe that because the little cook box was so full of pellets that the glow rod couldn't get hot enough, even though it was on. I do truly believe that it was on in there. I just think that there were so many pellets that it just takes so long to catch on fire that the firmware inside the Weber just couldn't compute. It decided that this is taking too long. There must be something wrong with the glow rod, excuse me, instead of actually just igniting and realizing that it's taking longer than usual. Because as soon as I cleaned the glow box out, it fired faster to 400 than I ever have. The glow rod lit right away. You guys saw that. There was no issues. So I'm going to call this the first hiccup I've had with Weber. A little scary, I'm not going to lie. It actually, not a little scary. I was scared to death. But everything's going good now. I'm going to finish up a cook that I'm currently having right now. This will be put into another video just because I finally had my first problem. But if that's my only issue, again, I got to use grease pans. I got to do maintenance on my Weber grill. That's not a big deal for me. So hopefully that's the last of any issues. And hopefully they're simple. If there are any more issues, they're as simple as fix as that. Alright? Thanks, guys.